Skooba is a manual pool vacuum system designed specifically for cleaning soft-wall above-ground pools with low-flow filtration system with a minimum power of 45 watts. It has an internal filter bag which collects debris such as dirt, leaves and sand before they reach your pool filter to prevent it from clogging. The transparent top head is useful to see when the filter bag is full so that the debris can be removed. Connectors are included in the kit, enabling Skooba to be compatible with most leading pool brands on the market. The ergonomic twist and lock system will make emptying the pre-filter very easy. The 5 meters of flexible vacuum hose are easy to assemble and can be quickly connected to your pool filter system. The 178 centimeter lightweight aluminium handle makes the Skooba ideal for pools up to 15 feet or 4.6 meters. Skooba is driven by your pool filtration system and does not require any batteries or any other power source. Skooba is the perfect cleaning solution for your soft wall pool.